about 2 hours and 50 minutes from the park. I don't know if we'll make it by 8 o'clock or not. After we stop for gas, probably one or two more times. We wanted to check in before 8 o'clock so we could possibly get some firewood. But that's okay, we're going to be so tired after we put up the tent and everything, we're not going to want to build a fire anyway. It's my guess. Very peaceful and pretty out here.
Yeah, it is.
The wind is really gusty.
At least it's not hailing.
Yeah. Amen to that. Or even raining.
Yeah. I'm just scooting up to see.
Okay.
"24 miles, Mount Highway 83. Poor baby. Looks all alone. Oh, it's packed today. Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Golly.
Oh, whoa. Oh,
We
there.
need to turn in left here.
Yeah.
Or are we going to pull up and turn up there?
Well, I think the next person that gets in the crosswalk.
Thank you. day.
Yeah, it is. Cloudy day. Lake McDonald. Check in left lane. Slow. Like a turtle.
Slow like a turtle. Funny.
Slow. Like a turtle.
Blue Bay right there.
Huh? Blue Bay.
Blue Bay is where the showers are, which we can't use.
Oh. Fish Creek.
The no generator loop. C for Cindy.
C is for Cindy. C is for camping.
Ah, yeah.
C is for Cindy. C, Cindy camping.
C is for Cindy camping.
What was that? You ever watch The Electric Company when you were a kid?
Yeah.
Amp. Camp.
Huh?
Camp. Amp. Camp. They do those little things where they put the words together.
Well, I think I was too little for that show.
Oh.
My sister watched it. I liked Sesame Street.
Well, it was on after Sesame Street.
I know.
Wow.
Interesting. Something smells good. People are cooking out. Here's our camp.
Right turn. Yeah. I forgot to check that store for a grate.
Oh. Oh well. It's not far from here.
Yeah. Just all the people that are there.
Oh.
Maybe we could do that tomorrow.
Yeah.